Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete your Instagram account on Android. Whether you're taking a break from social media or moving on, this process is pretty simple. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to delete. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right to open your menu. Okay, at the top, you'll find Account Center or Meta Account Center and tap on it. You'll see a bunch of options here for managing your account. Here's the thing. Tap on Personal Details, then look for Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that, and you'll see options for deactivation and deletion. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion, select the Instagram account you want to remove if you have multiple accounts linked, then choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Instagram will ask you why you're leaving. You can select a reason or just pick any option and tap on Continue. Then you'll need to enter your password to confirm it's really you. After entering your password, tap Delete Account one final time. Keep in mind that once you do this, your profile, photos, videos, comments, and followers will be permanently deleted after 30 days. If you log back in within those 30 days, the deletion will be canceled. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now scheduled for deletion. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.